Welcome back. This is going to be an amazing strength training workout with just bands. This is perfect for on the go, and I have used this when I go on vacation because these bands are just so easy to pack. And honestly, if you're going to get in some kind of strength training workout, which I highly recommend, maybe aiming for 3 times a week, if you could do 10 to 20 minutes or so, I'm telling you, especially if you are a beginner, this is the best way to get it in. So let's get it in. Take your time. Work at your own level and have fun. We're going to start with a warm-up, and this entire workout will only be about 9 minutes, but you know what? You can just repeat this as many times as you like. That's the beauty of a free workout. Let's go. Start moving your arms and do some arm circles, and now we're going to move into some body weight squats. Go at your own pace. You can do this, move at your own pace. That's what I suggest. Do what your body allows you to do. Any kind of movement is going to be some good movement here, guys. Okay, let's do some shoulder rolls. We're going to go forward. Just feel that good stretch in your shoulders. My shoulders are a little sore right now, so this is feeling amazing. And I'm going to constantly remind you to raise the corners of your mouth and smile, because I'm telling you that makes the biggest difference, and not just with our workouts, but with everything, every single day. It took me a really long time to figure that out, but hey, we won't go there today. All right, keep moving. Amazing. I want you to make sure that you always check those bands and make sure you don't have any rips or tears in them. You don't want to be snapping them. That has happened to me before. Not fun. All right, do a little bent over leg touch. Just go to where you can go. We are not here to judge our flexibility. Just do what you can do. There we go. Amazing. Go to each side and feel that stretch in your lower back. And I am feeling it in my quads as well. We're going to move our arms and glutes today. We're going to start with a banded bicep curl. So bring it down, like straight down, arm straight down. And then you're going to pull up on each side. Now, the slower you go with these, the more tension you're going to feel. We're going to do each of these for 30 to 45 seconds, depending on the move. But move it up and down. Again, if you move it up slow and down slow, you're going to feel it more, and that's what really creates that tension on your body. All right, we're going to move down. Put the band right above your knee. We're going to lay down on the ground, and we're going to do some banded glute bridges. So just lay flat down, put your arms out, and lift up your booty. Really lift your hips towards the ceiling and squeeze your glutes at the top. Feel that tension and pull your legs apart a little bit more to create more tension there. I would like, squeeze your abs as well here. The more tension you create on your muscles, then the more it is going to grow for you. All right, we're going to move up to a banded tricep extension. So take that off. If you want to switch out to a lighter band, feel free. A nice deep breath. It's good to just take a few breaths in between each exercise. All right, hold it up with your opposite arm and then tug on it with the other arm with your leg back. Now, if you feel like you're a little bit more experienced, you can grip up on that a little bit higher. But if you're kind of just a beginner, then just pull the very bottom of it. Pull it back. You guys are doing amazing. Stay with it. All right, switch sides. Just hold that up with your opposite hand and pull it back. There we go. You should feel that on the back of your tricep. Make sure that you're lifting up the corner of your mouth and smiling. It's feeling so great. Keep this up. We're going to move into some squats next. So take this one, or again, a lighter one if you want. Put that back around your legs. Put it right above your knee. And we're just going to do like the body weight squats that we were doing before, but this time we have band. Go about shoulder length, shoulder width apart, and just bend down. Feel that tension. Come back up. I'd like to center myself by putting my arms kind of in the middle here, but if you want to put your arms out for balance, you can do that too. That might be helpful. And if you want to add a little bit more of a challenge, then try to lift up to your toes. As I decide, these are just lateral squats, kind of lateral squat walks, I guess. So just continue with your squat, but you're moving 2 steps to the left and then 2 steps to the right. Amazing. I mean, I would aim to just go as low as you can because you are going to put the most tension on your muscles and work your muscles as much as you can. All right, we're going to move into one of my favorite moves. This is what I like to call the bow and arrow pull back. So just hold it in front of you and then pull it back just like a bow and arrow, and you will really feel that tension on your arms and in your shoulders, in your back a little bit. This is a great one. It's so much fun. So just kind of step back laterally as you pull on that band. Keep pulling back and lift up the corners of your mouth as you do this. Amazing. All right, now we are going to do some banded downward curls. So you are holding this up at the top this time and pulling with each arm down. Again, the slower you do this, the more you will feel the tension in your muscles. And make sure that you're tightening your abs as you do this as well, because you're going to get the best results. Just move each one down, one at a time. Moving them kind of shoulder length. We are going to do some kind of squat pullbacks. So put that underneath the ball of your foot and just pull it up with the opposite arm. You should feel this in your glute and you should feel it in your abs because we're tightening our abs as we do this. You should feel it in your legs. It's one of my favorites. I like to keep my arm here on my hip just to make sure that I'm moving it and stretching it as best as I can. Amazing. Keep up the good work, guys. So good. And then after this, we will be done for sure. I'm ready to move into the cool down. Cool down, bring your arm across your shoulder, pull it up as much as you can so you can really feel that stretch in your shoulder and your arm. Take a deep breath. Give yourself thanks for letting your body move in this way. And like I said, repeat this as many times as you want. Some tips: make sure that you are maintaining good form throughout each exercise. Like I said, this workout is designed to be simple yet effective, making it accessible for anyone who really wants to strengthen your arms and your glutes. I have so many other workouts on my channel, so be sure to check those out. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and hit that sub button so you never miss another video with me. My plan is to give you free content so that you can keep working those muscles, feeling and looking amazing. I will see you on the next one.